the general form of a linear equation. So this is called general form. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now the conditions are a, b, and c are integers. So if it's fraction, you must convert into whole number and can be positive, negative. But a must be positive. B and c can be negative, but a must be positive. Let's do a few examples here. Y equal to minus 2x plus 3. So this, in fact, this equation is in gradient intercept form. Now to convert this into general form, which is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That's what we need to convert. So therefore, to do this minus 2, I just move on this side, and 3 move on this side as well. So that means minus 2x move over on the other side, become positive 2x, so 2x. Now y, I just write it down because nothing in front of me is positive. So just write it down, and positive 3, I move on the left, so become negative 3. So equal to 0. See, this is already in this form. So that's the answer. Look at next one here. So y equal to 4x minus 5. Again, I just move this on this side. The conditions are ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So I move the 4x, become minus 4x. Because there's nothing in front of 4, it means positive 4. So this is how it is. So positive 4. And then I move on that side, so become negative. Then the minus 5 I move as well, but I'll write down the y first, because ax plus by plus c equals 0. So I'm going to write the y down first, so become positive y. And then minus 5, move on that side, so it become positive 5. And then nothing left on the right hand side, so just 0. But the conditions are a must greater than 0. So therefore, you have to time everything by negative 1, because we want to get rid of the negative 4x, become positive. So I time by negative 1. So negative 1 time positive, negative time negative, give you a positive, so plus 4x, sorry. So let's write 4x. And then minus 1 time y is minus y. Minus 1 time 5 is minus 5. Equal to 0. Okay, that's the answer. Now, of course, you can do another way, quicker way. I just swap this off. I show you an easier way, but some people like to make everything on the left and then just time by negative 1 if x is a negative number. But I can certainly do this way as well. I move the y on this side. That becomes 0 is equal to 4x. I write it down first. Positive y. Move on this side, become negative y. So minus y. The minus 5, I just write it down. Sorry, just write it down, which is minus 5. See, there you go. But then I write in this way. Is this correct already? But I'm just writing this way, and that's how we normally write. So that's it. There you go. That's the answer. Now, y equal 4 minus 2x. So convert this into general form. Is this one's minus 2x. I move on this side, so become positive. So become 2x, and the positive plus 5, nothing in front. I just write it down, plus 4y, plus y. 4, I move on this side, because nothing in front of 4 is positive. So I move on the other side, become negative 4. And then equal to 0. So that means ax plus by plus c equals 0, if you like. Okay, so that's already in this form. Minus 7 is equal to 5x minus y. So make it to general form. I just move the minus 7 on this side. So which is 0 is equal to 5x. I write it down first. The minus 7, you move on the other side, become positive. But before I do that, I write minus y down first. So that become the minus 7 now. Move on the right, so which is plus 7. So that's the answer. But we normally write this way. So y is the same, but I just put the 0 on the other side. It's the same thing. So that's it. Right, this one here, y equal 4 over 3x. So the first step is time everything by 3 first, because I want to get rid of the bottoms. Remember, ax plus by, let's say ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and a, b, c must be integers. So I get rid of fractions. That's why I time by 3 on the left and the right as well. So that's it. So that becomes 3y is equal to, this one cancel with that, left with 4x. Then I move the 3y on this side, because x already positive, I move on this side. Whichever side you like, but make sure you make the coefficient of x is positive. So this is minus 3y. See? But then we normally write like this. So minus 3y is equal to 0. That's all. Now, next one here. So minus y equal to minus 2 over 3x plus 2. Again, get rid of the fraction first. I time by 3, because I want to get rid of this 3 here. So then 3 times y is 3y. 3 times 2/3, you just time 2/3 here, slot that in here, 2/3. Sorry, 3 times 2/3, I just put the 3 times, so that cancel with this. You're left with minus 2x. So minus 2x, and then 3 times 2, which is 6. See? Now, I just move this on this side, so it becomes 2x plus 3y, and the 6 is moved on this side, become minus 6, and then equal to 0. That's it in the general form. Now, this one here, same process. I just get rid of 3 first, because 3 down at bottom, so I time by 3. There you go. So I time by 3. 3 times y is 3y. 3 times 2/3, so 2 over 3 times 3. Cancel out, so left with 2. 2 times x is 2x. So just write 2x, see? And then 3 times 5 is 15. So just write 15 down. That's it. Then I want to convert into ax plus by. So because it's x positive, I move this side. If you don't like it, I can move this way also. I move this way. So because it's 2x, I move on that side, become negative 2x instead. Positive become negative. Negative become positive. Just keep that in mind. So 3y, I just write it down. See? And 15, I can move on this side, of course, and then become a minus. So minus 15 equal to 0. But remember, this here, negative 2 here, I must make it into positive. So I just change the sign, all of them, if you like. So negative become positive, so 2x. And this one become negative, because I time by minus 1. So that become that. Minus become positive. See, there you go. That's the quickest way to do it. So that's it for that. Now, this one here, again, is exactly the same. It's just like change the thing around. That's all. Change the 2x become negative. 2 over 3x become negative, and then 3 become 5. It's just the same. So I just time by 3. See? Then 3 times y is 3y. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times minus 2/3. Just like 2/3 times 3. Cancel out. So it become 2. But 2 times x is 2x. So minus 2x. Like that. Okay? So what I do, I move the minus 2x on this side first. So become 2x. Become positive. Then the 3y, I just write it down. So become plus 3y. And then positive 9, move on this side, become minus 9. And equal to 0. That's all. Alright, last question. This one here, the question is this. You find the question asks, find the equation of this line in a general form. So first of all, to write in general form, you know the question asks you to write like this. See, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Find the equation of this line, which is in general form. So you can't really straight write equation in general form. The way to do this is first, you write y in find the line in gradient intercept form first. That's how you do it. Okay, so then you convert into general form. That's how you do it. So you know that B is a y-intercept. Y-intercept is 4. So write down first. So B is equal to 4. There you go. And then the gradient is rise over run. M equal rise over run. So in another word, you construct a right or triangle first to find the gradient. See? N plus the line going this way. So you have a positive M. M greater than 0. So that means I fix it up. So M greater than 0. So that means M is positive. So I just find the right first. From here to here is 4 units. So which is 4. Over run the horizontal distance from this to -3, which is 3. We talk about distance, okay? So which is 3. So the gradient is 4 over 3. So y equal mx plus b. So that means y equal m first. M is 4 over 3 x. See? And then plus b. B is 4. So just plus 4. That's your answer. But we want into this form, general form. So which is, get rid of the fraction first. I times by 3. So 3 times y is 3y. Then 3 times 4 over 3. So become 4. But 4x. Just like 4 over 3 times 3. Like that. You cancel out. Give me 4. So 4 times x, 4x. 3 times 4 is 12. So add 12. See? Now I just make it into this form now. So I move the y on the side. So become general form. 0 equal. But I move all the way. Yes. So 4x. I write 4x down first. 3y. Move on that side. Become minus 3y. The 12, I just write it down. So plus 12. So that's it. That's a general form. But we normally write 4x minus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. That is general form. And thank you so much for watching.